Presenting JBL Clip 3 wireless Bluetooth speaker that is compact, lightweight and ultra-portable. The speaker delivers JBL's signature sound with powerful bass to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. The JBL Clip 3 is rugged, compact and comes with a fully integrated carabiner that clips to your clothes, belt loop or backpack, making it easy to be carried around. With an IPS 7 rating, the speaker is waterproof, making it suitable for all outdoor use, even in rains. It comes with a built-in mic and a noise and echo-cancelling speakerphone that makes it capable of providing high-quality, hands-free calling experience. With a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the speaker provides up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. You can connect to the speaker wirelessly through Bluetooth. The speaker is available in 8 color options: black, white, blue, red, pink, green, grey and teal. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.